5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wait, shoot.
Down.
Where is it?
Straight above, almost.
And we're sponsoring this Engineering Days rocket competition, open to all CU students. We're sponsored by Boeing this year, so we got a lot of funding from them. What we do is we actually hand out rocket materials to CU students in the Engineering Center lobby for the couple days before now. And then people will come into the competition today to launch their rockets, and we launched them here out in this field, and we made altitude measurements so we can figure out the highest altitudes, because we're awarding prizes for the 3 highest altitudes and then 1 creativity prize. So we've gotten a lot of great launches out today, a lot of really high ones and a lot of really creative designs, so we're having a lot of fun out here.